to share this stand with you. Well, this PVC pipe stand that I made, or you could use it for anything. These are 1/2 inch caps, and then let me see if I can pull it off. 23 inches cut. There's 2 of these, and then we have the, I think these are the couplings. They're 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. And then, see how it just flexes back and forth. But if you don't want this to happen, then you can put some duct tape to hold it down. And the inside of these tubes, you can put some sand to put some weight on it. These right here are 3 inches. This is the T. There's 1, 2, 3. And then we have 4 elbows. And then these are 6 inches. So you just put them together, snap them in place to make this kind of shape. You can make them any shape you want, but this is what I had ended up making. So I have 2 of these, and like I told you before, you could use it for anything. Okay. Well, let me get a little closer. Okay. So you can use this for this as a light stand. For a balloon collar. Or the balloon collar. And then the arch. You just gotta connect these together. That's all. Like in my last video. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment on the bottom if you'd like to see something different. If you want me to try something new, let me know and I'll try it. And we'll see what it looks like together. If I never tried it, that is. But I like trying different things, so just let me know. And hope you liked the video. And see you in the next one. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.